Hey, it's Katie with WTI, and these aren't just socks. These socks will transform your legs and feet into chicken legs and feet. I got these for a party that my daughter was having. I thought it would be fun for the girls to all have these crazy chicken legs running around the basement, and it was. We could not stop laughing as all the girls were running around pretending to be chickens and having chicken fights. It was so much fun. But these socks aren't just for parties. These are socks that can go anywhere. You should see the looks that these get when worn to the gym. Good reminder not to skip leg day, ever. I like that these came in 3 different colors so that you can keep a nice variety going when you wear them. The print and colors on these socks is really nice. It's high quality and it holds up. If you're looking for something fun and quirky to add to your wardrobe, then I would check out these chicken leg socks by SimleShine. You're not going to regret it, and that's my point of view.